autograph line?
No, she's like, no, I would never say that.
Okay, because somebody came up to Jared at the autograph line and said,
You want to recreate it?
Yeah. And I kid you not. This is what we heard. I'll be Jared.
I just want to thank you so much for being so amazing.
You're welcome.
He told me that while we were
True story. He's like, guys, I gotta confess something. He came to the green room. He's like, guys, I gotta confess. I don't know. It just came out.
I was so delirious that I
She said I was amazing, and I looked up and I said, "You're welcome."
He told me when we were doing our duo photos earlier, he told me that, and we had to take a 10-minute laughing break. Our tears were on both of our faces.
But I mean, what you know?
Hey,
What do you say? Somebody comes up, "You're amazing." You're welcome. And you're amazing for knowing that. I'm sure you have a question somewhere. Sorry.
Could you please say something like, "Good morning, Elena," or what you want in my phone for my alarm clock in the morning?
You want us to record something?
I don't understand.
Okay, but I assume that I know what I'm doing right now. Do you understand what's happening?
I think I understand what's happening. I think I understand what she wants. I'm not sure I know what she's going to get. So you want something sort of like to wake up to start your day off in the right mood. Okay. Are we recording?
And, yeah. That's gonna be her alarm one time. And then she's gonna wake up going, well, that was a bad idea. I'll go back to, hi, it's time to get up now.
Thank you.
Yeah, anytime.